Give it a good dusting. We'll take our pink, and basically we're just going to fill in the whole area. We'll use our scraping tool to help us do that quickly. Then I'm just going to tidy up the edges. So we don't have any residue stamp onto the neon pink. That's very clean. I'm going to come through with my modeling tool. Just make sure everything is where it needs to be. What you can do is you can also come through and sort of push back on the icing, so it sort of pre-releases it from the mold. I'm just going to make sure that this is all smooth. And clean. There we go. Now we're ready to stamp this onto our neon pink. So I will dust the bench. We'll take our pink. I'm going to roll this out to about 3 ml thick. Then I will just give it a quick dusting on the back side, just so it doesn't stick to the bench when we do stamp it. Alright, take the stamp, place it on the icing, and evenly press down on the stamp. Now, what we can do is we can pick this up, and then we can just peel the stamp off. If you notice it's not coming out on one side, flip it over to the other side and pull it off like that. And there we have it.